Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for MyBlock account. So let's dive into the video without further ado. First of all, launch open a web browser on your device. You can also open up the MyBlock application on your mobile devices. Now go to the search box and type in hrblock.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will then end up in the official web page for HNR Block. From the main home page, click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner, which will then bring up the sign in interface on the right hand corner. If you already have created an account for yourself, you can enter an email, a username or your mobile number registered with MyBlock account and click continue. You can follow the steps to log into your existing account. If you don't have an account yet, you can start creating a new one right away. Click on the create account button at the bottom, follow through the sign up process. Now, you will end up in the sign up page where you'll need to create an account by entering some of your information. In the first text box where it says email, enter a valid email address. After entering an email, go to the next field and create a password. While creating a password for your account, make sure that your password is 8 to 30 characters long. It includes an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and one special character and a number. Create a password meeting those criteria, and after you are done, confirm the password on the next field by typing it again. Once you are done, agree to the terms and conditions of MyBlock by checking on this little square box and click next. You will now need to verify your email that you provided. Enter the verification code that has been sent to you via your email. Launch open a new tab and log into your email service provider's inbox and click open the email from HNR Block, which will present you with a verification code. You can go ahead and copy this code or simply type in this code inside the verification text box. Go and type it in the verification code text field, and then your email will be verified. On the next page, type in your first name, your last name, and provide a mobile number. Before typing in a mobile number, you'll need to go ahead and select your country from the drop-down. Now enter a valid mobile number that you can verify. Once you enter your phone number, click on the create account button, and then you'll receive a verification code sent on that mobile number. After entering the mobile number verification code, you will be able to complete your sign up. Simply follow the prompts till the end and you'll be good to go. And that is how you should be able to create a new account for MyBlock. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.